InvisiBeam Platinum Composite Wall Reinforcement System by Fortress is the most reliable option available for reinforcing your foundation wall. It is the only structurally anchored ICC certified system on the market and will outperform any other system such as steel beams, tie-back wall anchors, or carbon fiber fabric. Beyond that, Fortress offers a lifetime guarantee on the InvisiBeam Platinum system. If the system were to fail, Fortress will pay for material and labor to make it right. InvisiBeam is the only system guaranteed to stop bowing, tipping, or shearing of the foundation wall. So how does InvisiBeam work? First, the InvisiBeam system utilizes a carbon fiber Kevlar strap featuring a patented composite innovation known as reinforcement grid technology, or regrid. Regrid technology features 21 pre-cured, fully tensioned carbon fiber toes, which provide the strength to reinforce your wall. These toes are connected to Kevlar cross threads, which create an open grid design and allows for a process called adhesive riveting. When applied to a wall, this technology allows the epoxy to form a chemical bond to the wall surface, which creates a complete mechanical bond from the top to bottom of the strap, similar to traditional rivets. This process actually makes the wall stronger than when it was originally built. While the strap prevents inward deflection of the wall, the pressure being placed on it can still cause it to tip on top or shear at the bottom. The next component of the InvisiBeam system is the top anchor. The top anchor attaches to your home structure using the floor above to apply outward pressure. This keeps the strap bonded to the wall and prevents the wall from tipping under stress. To prevent bottom shear, InvisiBeam uses a solid carbon plate anchor. This anchor keeps the bottom of the strap attached and prevents any inward movement from occurring at the bottom of your wall. If your goal is to never worry about your foundation wall again, then give yourself a composite reinforced foundation only available with the patented technology found in the InvisiBeam system by Fortress.